Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial video, I'm gonna teach you and show you how to reduce your file project, your substance finder file if you have this big size in your project. So as you can see right now, I have almost 2 gigabytes and I have planned to reduce this size maybe 50% from this file. So right now I have this character, and the first step is I'm gonna change the resolution of this texture because so I'm gonna change the resolution maybe 1000. I think this is enough. 2000. And again change the resolution. Okay guys, I think we have changed the resolution of this texture. Then I'm gonna discard unneeded texture in here to reduce the size of this project. To reduce file size of this project. So right now I'm gonna select this cleaning. Okay. Then select save and compress. Okay guys, I think this process is complete and I have been waiting the result a bit more efforts. You can see yes, this is the result, and it's not clearly 50%, but it's okay because I have a lot of texture and I have a lot of layer in here. So I think it's enough today. Okay guys, thank you very much. Thank you so much for today, and thank you for watching my video. And if you like my video, just give me a thumbs, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for upcoming updates from my new video. So thank you very much for today, and see you. Bye.